Let's become familiar with the Photoshop screen. In the top side where we see the File, Edit, Image Layout, Type, Select Filter is known as the menu bar. And in the left-hand side where you see various icons, that is called the toolbar. And in the middle side where you see the huge space, that's known as the canvas, where we will create all of our UX, UI app designs. And in the right-hand side, there are various panels for layer, library, adjustment, style, swatch, and character. And beneath the menu bar, there's an option bar. In Photoshop, it's easy to maneuver by the toolbar. It's on the left-hand side of your window. And if you see a toolbox with a triangle icon beneath it, then click it and hold it. You will see more options with the same or different content. It also has a shortcut. When you click and hold the toolbox, you will see a letter on the right-hand side. It means that if you press that letter from your keyboard, that tool will be selected. The Photoshop menu bar is a set of cascading menus that provide quick access to tools, features, commands, and panels in a few mouse clicks. When you click the Photoshop menu or menu bar item, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Each of these options, apart from the adjustment or even opening and additional submenus, these menus are a critical part of Photoshop Workspace because they are the only way to access certain features in Photoshop. The right side panel, this panel in Photoshop is like a small application with its own control menu, window, and many other features. You can change, add, or remove the panel from your working window based on what kind of work you are doing. Suppose that you are working on photography, so you need one kind of panel. And if you work on motion graphics, you need another kind of panel. If you work on painting, you need another kind of panel. So, based on what kind of work you are doing, you have to change this panel. You can add or remove it. In the right side panel, we don't have the character panel showing, but suppose we need it. Go to the window menu. From there, select the character. And this character will appear in the quick access panel. You can expand it by clicking this arrow. And you will see your character panel is here. You can minimize it. Click here, you will see your character panel. All about the text, and if you want to remove it, just click here and click close. You can change the position of the right-hand layer panel by simply drag and drop. Okay, and you can make your own working space. So we'll work on the mobile app design. So click here and click New Workspace and type here Mobile App Design. Click OK, click Save. And now what we need the color, we need the swatch. We need the style. We don't need adjustment, we need the layer. Let's remove the adjustment. Close a library, we don't need it. Close. And now we have the layer channel path. So we can keep the layer, but we need a bigger layer panel. So increase the size by dragging upward. So we will have enough space for the layer panel. And what we need is the character panel. We don't have the character panel in this quick access right panel. So go to the Windows, from there select Character, and it will be added in this quick access panel. And we have the History panel and the Properties panel. So it would be saved automatically for our mobile app design. So now let's go to the Essentials. Now we will see another kind of working panel. We don't need that. Now we will work on the mobile app design. So we click here and select Mobile App Design. So we will see our organized working space in Photoshop for our mobile app design.